Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Today we're tackling a question that comes up a lot, especially in online discussions. What is a Level 5 sex offender? The simple and direct answer is that for the overwhelming majority of the United States, a Level 5 sex offender does not officially exist. This term is largely a myth, likely stemming from internet rumors, fiction, or a misunderstanding of how the sex offender registration and notification system actually works. The system isn't a single, national ladder with 5 rungs. Instead, it's a patchwork of state laws that generally follow a federal guideline called the Sex Offender Registration and Notification Act, or SORNA. This act encourages states to use a 3-tier system, which is what most of them do, though they might call them levels or tiers. Let's break down the system that is actually in place. The most common classification has 3 levels of risk. Level 1 is for offenders who are considered to have a low risk of reoffending. Information about these individuals is typically not made public. It's usually shared only with law enforcement agencies to keep track of them. You won't find a Level 1 offender's picture and address on a public website. Next is Level 2, which is for offenders with a moderate risk of reoffending. For this level, community notification is broader. Law enforcement may share information with schools, daycare centers, and other local organizations that deal with children or vulnerable adults. Some states might have a public registry for Level 2 offenders, but it could be more limited in the information it provides. Finally, there is Level 3. This is the highest risk category. These are individuals who are considered to have a high risk of committing another offense and may be a threat to public safety. For Level 3 offenders, community notification is extensive and public. Their name, photograph, home address, work address, and details of their crime are typically made available to the public through an online state registry. This is the level of notification most people think of when they hear about the sex offender registry. The level an offender is assigned isn't random, it's determined through a formal risk assessment process that looks at many factors, including their criminal history, the nature of their offense, whether they've completed treatment, and their behavior while incarcerated. So, while the idea of a super dangerous Level 5 offender might sound plausible, the reality is that the highest and most public-facing designation in most states is Level 3. It's crucial to understand your specific state's laws, as the names and notification rules can vary, but the 3-level framework is the standard. Thank you so much for watching and for taking the time to understand this complex topic. If you found this video informative and want more legal subjects explained in a clear and simple way, please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next video.